Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is our 8th video in unit 6 plane analytic geometry second year course. The topic in this video we are going to discuss is the position of a point with respect to a line. Dear students, if we have a line L in the plane, then we have three situations for a point to lie in this plane. The point either lies on this line, or the point is above the line, or the point is below the line. Students, if the point lies on the line, then it is a part of the line, so it will satisfy the equation of line. The equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If this point is on this line, then it is satisfying the equation, so we can replace x by x1 and y by y1, and hence we have ax plus by ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. So this is the situation. If the point lies on the line, then we have ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. If this point is lying above the line, what would happen? Dear students, we come to prove it. Suppose px1 y1 be a point, and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with b greater than 0. This is the condition of this result. Be a line in the plane, then the point lies on the line, ax1 plus b1 plus c is equal to 0. Above the line, if ax1 plus b1 plus c is greater than 0, and below the line, if ax1 plus b1 plus c is less than 0. Dear students, in this result we have assumed that b is positive, so on the basis of this condition we come to the proof. Dear students, here is the line. We have taken a point q on this line and a point p above the line. We are checking this point p, and we are establishing a result for this point. Dear students, here the point p has coordinate x1. The point p and the point q have the same coordinate. If we draw a perpendicular from p, it passes through the point q, and it meets the x-axis at point x1. So we say that x1 is the coordinate of point q and it is the coordinate of point p. Since p and q are at different levels of height, so that y coordinates of both the points will be different. If we draw a perpendicular from q on the y-axis, it is y2, so its y coordinate is y2, and if we draw a perpendicular from point p on the y-axis, it is y1, so its y coordinate is y1. Dear students, we observe that y1 is above than y2, so we can say that y1 is greater than y2, and it is mentioned here that y1 is greater than y2. Students, the point q lies on the line, so it satisfies the equation of line. So the equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We are taking x is x1 and y is y2, so we have ax1 plus by2 plus c is equal to 0. After rearrangement, we can find the value of y, which is negative times ax1 plus c divided by b. Since the point p is above the point q, so its y coordinate y1 is above than the y coordinate of the q, and hence we say that y1 is greater than y2. Now here we are replacing the value of y2. Dear students, this is y2, and we can replace from here the value of y2. Here is negative, here is negative, double negative produces positive. Now we are taking LCM. After LCM we get this value. Students, in this result we have assumed that b is greater than 0, means b is positive. So if b is positive and we multiply both sides by this positive, the inequality remains the same. So we have by1 plus ax1 plus c is greater than 0. Because we will multiply b here on the left and b here on the right, b is cancelled with b, we are left with this, and b multiplied by 0 is 0. Dear students, you must know that if b is positive and you multiply it with both sides of the inequality remains the same. In case b is negative, then the inequality changes its sign. Since here b is positive, so the inequality remains the same, and hence we have shown that ax1 plus by1 plus c is greater than 0. Students, you must note at this point that if we take b negative, the inequality changes its sign, and in that case we get ax1 plus by1 plus c less than 0. But where we have assumed that b is positive, so we have this result ax1 plus by1 plus c greater than 0. Since we observe that when point is above the line, then this is greater than 0. So if point is below the line, then we can say that ax1 plus by1 plus c is less than 0. That is clear. Now students, we come to certain points. The first one is when the coefficient of y in the equation, in the given equation of line is negative. Since we have proved this result for the positive value of the coefficient of y is b, and we have taken here b positive. If in the given question b is negative, we have to make it positive, and for this we have to multiply the given equation by -1. When the coefficient of y in the given equation of line is negative, we multiply it by -1 so that to make it positive. The next point we can use to make our result simple. The next point says that the point px1 y1 is above or below the line L if ax1 plus by1 plus c and b have the same or opposite sign respectively. Students, it says that if b and this expression ax1 plus by1 plus c have the same sign, then they lies on the same side of the line, which means that either both lies this then the point then have the same sign. This lies above the line. It shows that if the sign of this quantity and b are the same, then the point lies above the line, and if this quantity and b have opposite sign, then it shows that the point lies below the line. Now in the next, it is given the point px1 y1 and the origin are on the same or opposite sides of the line if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 if ax1 plus by1 plus c and c have the same or opposite sign. Dear student, if this quantity and c have the same sign, then the point and the origin lies on the same side, and if this quantity and c have opposite signs, which means one is positive and other is negative, then one lies above and other lies below. In other words, the point and the origin lies on the opposite sides of the line. Students, if we replace origin in this equation, then for origin x is 0 and y is 0, so we are left only with the value of c. So in case of the origin, we are checking the sign of c. Dear students, if c and this quantity have same sign, it shows that both lies on the same side, and if c and this quantity have opposite signs, then we say that origin and the point lies on the opposite sides of the line. Student, we have a formula which we have used in our metric courses. We are recalling this formula. This is for the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Suppose that here is a point. This point is px1 y1, and here is a line. The equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and we are interested to find this perpendicular distance between the point and the line. We have denoted this distance by d. How to find this distance? This is the formula with the help of which we can calculate it. It is simple to remember. Students, the x coordinate of the point P is x1. We replace this x by that x1. The y coordinate of the point is y1. We replace this y in the equation of line by that coordinate. So we have ax1 plus by1 plus c. This is the expression ax1 plus b1 plus c. We are taking modulus because distance is always positive. So we have taken modulus. Here a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. So we can say that the square of the coefficient of x plus the square of the coefficient of y whole square root. And this is the formula with the help of which we can find the perpendicular distance between a point and a line, or in other words, the distance of a point from a line. And we will use these in our exercise questions.